Are you tired of spending 10 minutes digging between the couch cushions just to try to find one of your remotes? Well, stay tuned and I'm going to show you a way to keep the remotes to where you can find them. Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the NB remote control holders for armchairs or couch caddy, and 3 things you need to know. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I'd really appreciate that. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thing number 1, this is made of a selected linen fabric and silicone non-slip bottom. I've been using this for a while now, and I've yet to have it slip around. Doesn't go in and out of the recliner as you would think some things would. So this has made me happen to avoid playing search and destroy for the 3 remotes that I've got for my home entertainment system. So that's, like I said, no more hunting for the controller holder or the remotes. If you've got an iPad, if you keep a magazine or 2 or whatever, there's one large pocket. That's going to help with that. Thing number 2, this helps avoid the armrests from being worn or damaged. If you spend a lot of time in your recliner or on the couch, this is going to go a long way and to keep from wearing into that fabric. Thing number 3, now this has got 4 smaller pockets to handle even the smallest of remotes. So whether you've got that brand new Hisense, or you've got a sound bar, or your DVD player, okay, there's 3 remotes right there, and the pockets are perfectly set for that. You just drop them in. I would suggest having the buttons face away from your couch or recliner, because I found occasionally if I'm trying to raise the handle on mine to where I can get the footrest up or down, sometimes I'll hit the buttons, or if I'm moving it around trying to find something, that buttons may get moved that way. So this really has been very handy for me. Thing number 4, and this is bonus, now this is machine washable, and like I said, it's durable fabric. Because of the silicone non-slip bottom, from my experience, silicone does not last well when it's run through a dryer. So I would let this air dry, not use a dryer. Now you can, if you want to experiment with some of the lower settings, but I don't know how much success that's going to be, because you'd have to either run your whole load on that or run this as just a partial load. And by the time you get that figured out, it probably could have air dried. So take a look at this and think about getting one today. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Please look in the description for the URL to purchase this item. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.